So in this video we're going to cover embalming with the low pressure, low flow settings. And so we're going to begin embalming with our settings at, say, 2 pounds of pressure and flow 20%. And we're going to start to see that fluid enters the arch of the aorta, down the arm as well, up the left common, start to make its way down the arm, and also its pathway down the descending aorta. And we're going to incorporate some paths of great resistance. I'm going to incorporate pooled blood, and I'm doing that in black, down the arm, on the venous channel, towards the head, down the left arm, and down the legs. And we're going to say that the back pressure needed to overcome these paths of great resistance is, say, 10. And so, as this fluid moves into this space and attempts to regulate at this 2 pounds of pressure, it's going to begin to relieve itself via the venous system, where it has made its way. And it's going to relieve itself in 2 ways: by recycling fluid in the tank off the regulator, through drainage if you're draining, and last, by penetrating the tissues. And if we use this as an example here, with Mark II, it's finally really pushing to get to that venous path. If this is at 10, it really doesn't have a strong ability to overcome it, besides fluid continuing to enter here, which it's going to have a hard time doing with the regulator returning fluid and drainage being open. If drainage closes, it'll have a better opportunity to do that, but bear in mind, fluid will still be being recycled back into the tank. So we'd be counting on the vascular system to expand and slow down enough to build up pressure, but again, we would have a hard time doing that to overcome our 10. And if we restrict the drainage, we're counting on the machine to regulate this pressure and return excess back to the machine. Hope you like this video, and now a message from our sponsor.
A squid, a T-bone. Thanks, Postmaster.
Not so fast. Hands off, kid. The Postmaster squid, because let's face it, 6 might as well be 8. And let's not forget the Postmaster's T-bone, taking your aspiration from medium to well done. Order now, and the Postmaster line is guaranteed to deliver.